Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. In today's video, we are giving my bedroom a complete makeover. There will be tons of cleaning motivation and decor inspo. If you're interested, stay tuned. Let's get started. In my last cleaning video, you would have seen that I gave my old bed frame and mattress to my 9-year-old son. That was a full size bed, and I upgraded to a king size mattress and bed. So I gifted it to him last week. So I've been sleeping on the floor on my mattress for 5 days and I couldn't take it anymore. My bed came in, so now I'm going to build my bed. But first I had to get the mattress up off the floor, vacuum underneath to give me a clear space to work on, and then I'm going to build my bed. My mattress and my bed frame are both from Amazon. I will do my best to link all of the items in the description box below. Guys, an idea of what I was going for in my bedroom. I really wanted it to feel like a true retreat for me. I wanted it to feel relaxing but airy and like hotel vibes but super zen. So you'll notice that there are a lot of neutral elements in the room, and I wanted it to all be very cohesive and relaxing. So for the bed frame, I went for this charcoal gray wingback style. It's pretty classic, and then the low profile of the headboard makes it a little more modern. This bed frame is something that will be able to grow with me as my design style changes. It's neutral enough that I'll be able to switch out throw pillows and blankets and curtains. No matter what I decide to do with the room, I can incorporate this bed frame. There are a couple of things that I am going to upgrade in the room, including this little storage ottoman that I am pushing. I love this thing because it's super functional. There is a ton of storage inside. We can sit on it, but it's not the cutest, and it has been beaten up with all of the moving. The sides are all scraped up. So I am on the hunt for something that's a little more aesthetic, but also provides the same function. As you can probably tell by the change of lighting, it's much later now. I am starting to utilize the underbed storage to store some of my shoes. Then I'm going to move on to building my nightstands. Were also from Amazon, and they came in a set of 2 for a little over $100. So I was definitely a little concerned that they were going to be that shiny black finish, but they're not. So I'm really pleased so far. The drawers went in super easy. They're super smooth. So I'm really happy with that purchase. high and low for lamps that I actually liked, that fit the vibe of the room, that weren't too stuffy. These are really modern and kind of industrial, and I like that contrast of like the classic wingback headboard and then this more industrial style lamp. It's really cool. So I got these from Target. It is the next morning and I was determined to finish the bedroom that day. And I had a ton to do. I had to hang curtains, I had to hang artwork, which is really exciting. And I also had a ton of laundry to fold and then just clutter that I needed to figure out. So I am going to get to work. With how the curtains look. They make the room look so much bigger at that height, but they're not so high that the detail at the top of the curtains can't really stand out. So I'm super happy. These curtains are from IKEA and the rod is from At Home. So long for a piece of artwork that I liked. I wasn't against having a print. I also looked on different websites and Etsy that sold prints, but nothing was exactly what I wanted. I wanted something that was abstract, but also gave the illusion of water or the ocean or mountains or that kind of vibe. This painting or canvas is from Target again, and it's from the Studio McGee collection, and it really wasn't, I think it was under $100, so it was a really good price point and I love it. Throughout this video, I am a huge measurer. I measure things and mark my points and measure because it just makes hanging things so much easier. We are almost there, guys. I'm clearing off my dresser and then I'm going to fold some laundry. Now I am going to move on to bedding. I did purchase new bedding from Target. It is the Threshold brand and it is the Hotel Border Frame bedding, and the border is actually a nude taupey color, so very neutral, and it blends in well with the other elements in the room. I'm really happy with it, outside of the fact that when it comes out of the actual packaging, it's very wrinkled, which I low-key don't mind, but also don't want to deal with. So I do have tons of wrinkles that I don't deal with in this video, but I just want to let you know that I am fully aware it needs some work. But stay tuned for some bedding updates. A little reminder of what it looked like before. I honestly feel like I'm dreaming every time I walk into my bedroom. It is so beautiful and calming, and it's just literally everything I could have ever asked for, and I'm so happy that I was able to do this for myself. I really hope that you found some inspiration and some motivation here, and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the post notification bell. It really helps my channel out. See you in the next one. Bye.